Today I'm going to be talking about evaluating the impact of student-centered strategies on student growth and performance in struggling readers. Student-centered learning has been huge in education and has been shown to increase student engagement and academic performance. However, majority of current research has failed to include students with disabilities, remedial students, and students who read below grade level. Most of it's been focused on higher ed or gifted students, and there's a wealth of information as well on on-level students. The purpose of the study is to zoom in on the struggling reading population and see how they respond to student-centered learning. We're going to explore how and if student-centered learning increases academic performance in students. Some of the strategies that are going to be implemented in this unit of study include problem-based learning, project-based learning, STEM initiatives, cooperative learning, and stations. My research question that's driving this study is, how does student-centered learning impact student performance and growth in middle school students who struggle with reading? These are not students who necessarily receive special education services or anything like that. We're going to be looking at their Lexile scores and examining the performance of students who have a Lexile below 6th grade level. The significance of this study is just the lack of research available for struggling readers. And a lot of student-centered learning, well, it's student-centered, so the students are given a lot of independence. But if they struggle to read and have deficits in basic content knowledge, how are they going to react when they're given so much independence? And also, hopefully we'll be able to differentiate and find some strategies that are effective that give benefits for long-term content retention and their overall learning experience, because if you're going to school, you're not getting the content, you're not having a positive experience, and we want to improve that overall. So, student-centered learning, the literature shows that it provides students the opportunity to apply their learning, and they begin to see themselves as the experts of the content knowledge. They're the ones figuring it out, they're the ones problem solving, and they're able to lead the pace of instruction and kind of customize their instruction in a way, because if they want to know a little bit more about a topic, they can dive a little bit deeper into it with technology and things that you have available depending on the strategy you implement, and the teacher is able to kind of move on the stage and move into a role as a facilitator. So this changes the way students view themselves and the way they experience learning. They see themselves as the experts, it increases their confidence, and the teacher is able to step on the side and kind of work and customize how they interact with each student. They can extend for students that need that extension. They can differentiate and remediate for those that need additional help and attention as well. So this research design it's going to follow 6th grade students for one academic quarter. It's going to look at pre-assessments and post-assessments and scores to see how they increase throughout the unit. It's also going to look at previous test scores where these strategies weren't as heavily implemented. It's also going to be interviewing the students and looking at surveys from the students to see their perceptions. How are they feeling about their learning in these units? Not are they just scoring better, but are they more confident? Do they feel like they're getting more out of these experiences? So I'm seeking to glean a little bit of the hard data that says, yes, they are improving, but I also want to improve their confidence and get them more excited about coming to school, and specifically social studies class every day. Thank you for watching my presentation. I'm going to show you some references in case you're interested in further reading.